Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Teddiursa from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Draw a vertical line. Draw a horizontal curve line to mark eye line. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw eyes. Draw a crescent moon shape on the forehead. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a new shape for the body. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw hand. Draw claws. Draw hand. Draw claws. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.